Thank you. Mr. Salman Khurshid, Minister for Water Resources and Minority Affairs. Mr. Subodh Khan Saib, Minister for Tourism. Mr. Bhujbal, Minister for PWD. Mr. Kofi Bhoti, Mr. Ranganathan, the Chairman of Exim Bank. Mr. Bhavarlal Jain, who's shortly going to receive a Lifetime Achievement Award. And Mr. H.P. Kumar, and friends in the audience. We are really grateful to all the participants for being with us today on this occasion and wholeheartedly supporting the event. I must really be grateful to Mr. Salman Khurshid and Mr. Subodh Khan Saib, who missed their cabinet meeting and are here with us today. It's Thursday morning is the cabinet meeting in Delhi, but they have been friends. They were with us last year. Mr. Bhujbal was also with us last year, and we are happy that all of them have been able to gather here and be with us today. We have about 30 countries, means all the neighboring countries, as my chairman said, Pakistan, Uzbekistan, China, Bangladesh, Nepal, all the neighboring countries are with us this time, and they have come in a big way to participate and be with us in the promoting trade between both the countries. My friends from Algiers, my friend from Canada, US, Europe, and Australia. Name the country and it's there. 30 countries is difficult to name all, but most of the countries who matter and who are doing business with India are here. Even African countries, we are going to have a minister from Mozambique and Ethiopia in the next 2 days. We are going to have a minister from Iran. So these are the countries which we look forward to a business. As I was talking in the morning, Africa, China, and this UAE and Middle East, these are the countries where we need to promote Indian trade. This year the theme is on SMEs, especially by small and medium enterprise. As you know, we contribute 40% to the economy, 40% of GDP, 60% of employment, and this takes care of regional imbalances, 8,000 products. So this is a sector which needs promotion and thrust. And we, of course, Mr. Subodh Khan Saib now is the Minister for Tourism. When he was in Agro, we discussed with him, and we have taken out also a study on research on food and agro, which will be released shortly. That what is the vision of 2015 by the ministry and what we should do with them in working together. Similarly, one more study is going to be released by Exim Bank on shipping industry and how much cargo is going to improve, what needs to be done, what are the opportunities. And next 2 to 3 days, we'll each other discuss what can be done in future. And why MSMEs, we feel the large industries can take care of themselves. The MSME needs the support. And world over, I have seen whether it is US Small Business Administration, whether in Europe, all MSME industry has to register with the Chambers of Commerce and Industry. Then only they can start working. There is no director of industries. There is organizations where you have to register. I think, hope in India also one day will come. When it's a trade promotion organization, if you are registered, you can do business. That will be the day which is carried, because what you need to promote trade. And I think we have to integrate small-scale industry into global chain supply. And our industry needs 3 things: finance, infrastructure, and marketing. I think these are the 3 areas where we are going to discuss. We have also to upgrade our technologies. Our foreign friends are here. We say India is a growth story. We talk about 10 to 12% growth in 2012. And why not? You give us a technology, we give you the product. That is where we are going to collaborate for next 2 days. We are going to discuss how we go ahead and how we work together in promoting trade between all the countries. And also, we have a minister from tourism this time, from state as well as central. Both of them are same portfolio. Tourism is another industry, service industry, which needs a lot of promotion and thrust. Of course, India is a brand ambassador in IT. There are a lot of companies who are from IT who are here. But tourism is another sector where we need to promote. And I think there we'll see how we can work together and promote. We have kept this time every day half-day sessions up to 2 o'clock. After that, we are only going to have B2B meetings. About 2,000 B2B meetings we have tied up. More may be there in offering. But 2,000 B2B meetings we have tied up with about 200 delegates from overseas and 180 delegates from India. So we feel that this will result into a better business ties between India and other world. And we assure you of the cooperation. As my chairman said, if we are lacking somewhere, please do not be hesitant to give us suggestions, which we will implement in the next year to come. But one thing I may tell, that whenever any minister comes here, he becomes a prime minister or a cabinet minister. Dr. Manmohan Singh inaugurated a global conference in 1996. So when Dr. Manmohan Singh came in 1996, he is the Prime Minister today. You also came, you were the External Affairs Minister at that time. And last year you came, you were a State Minister with Salman Khurshid. I think before even 10-15 days he came to us. And today he is a Cabinet Minister. So this is and that is one more reason. Both the ministers, instead of going to Davos, came here. This is a more meaningful conference than to go somewhere abroad. So I'm happy and I'm grateful to you for being with us.